Now, KX Weather First Look.
Well, conditions today were quite nice, very nice temperatures, lots of sunshine to start off. Now things are changing. There's enough fuel in the atmosphere for some severe thunderstorms. One right now in northwestern Williams County. Now you can see lots of small but potent thunderstorms in the area right along the Montana-North Dakota border. I'll zoom in and show you this one. If you are watching from Bone Trail, then there's a thunderstorm pretty much on top of you right now. Now, the warning is in effect until 10:45 tonight, so that's another 45 minutes or so. Winds of about 50 miles per hour, and also we're seeing hail of about an inch in diameter. That's about quarter-sized hail falling in this small cell, but it is a potent cell as well. Now, remember, this warning is in effect for another 45 minutes, so make sure you get indoors and stay indoors if you are watching around that area. Now, I've got the details for the rest of this storm system and the next 7 days coming up soon.
In Minot today, we saw a high of 78 degrees and a low of only 50. And in Williston, they saw a high of 79 and a low of 43.
Yeah, you know, nice temperatures today. We saw plenty of sunshine as well. Now, what's going on right now is some active weather. You see several small thunderstorms along the Montana-North Dakota border that stretches all the way down into South Dakota as well. It's a big system. Now, currently, there's only one severe thunderstorm in the batch, and it is currently in northwestern North Dakota. It lasts until 10:45 tonight, right around Bone Trail, North Dakota. Now, it's a small cell, but it is packing a little bit of a punch. There's quarter-size hail in this system, and I'll even turn on the hail prediction here. In the next 15 minutes, around Bone Trail, you could be getting hail of about 1 inch in diameter. Doesn't sound that big, but it's pretty big as far as hail is concerned. Not a lot of thunder in this, and lightning either. Wind speeds are under 50 miles per hour, wind gusts anyhow. So it's not a huge storm, but it is severe, and hail is kind of the main concern right now. Now, I've zoomed out and shown you that there are several small thunderstorms, even around Sydney right now, one of the stronger little cells currently. Now, these storms are expected to taper off somewhere around the border. We see less fuel for thunderstorms right now in North Dakota than there has been in eastern Montana today. However, you can still see there is some fuel, and some of these storms are firing, so we'll keep our eye on it for you. Again, this large system that's stretching along the Montana-North Dakota border. You can get up-to-minute details on this on the KX Weather Channel 13.3, by the way. So for the week ahead, here's what we're seeing. Now tonight, thunderstorms again in the west. Now low temps should be in the 50s. Sunday, more rain expected mainly in the afternoon. It should continue into Sunday night and Monday too. Looks like temps on Monday should be in the 60s as opposed to the 70s and 80s like we've been seeing, so a bit cooler. Another good chance of rain Monday too, and really several chances of rain all through the week. Expect temperatures not in the 80s, probably 70s for most of this coming week. Here are temps around the region. Currently we're seeing 60s, still some 70s out west like in Williston and Sydney where the thunderstorm activity is going on, but 60s for most of us tonight. Right now, not much wind unless you're in western North Dakota and up near Crosby, which is close to where that thunderstorm is. We're seeing winds around 25 miles per hour, some gusts into the 30s up in Crosby as well. Otherwise, not a lot of wind gust activity going on in most of North Dakota. This is the Precision Cast forecast model. I've started it off here tomorrow morning, and you still see some lingering showers and light thunderstorms possible in the morning as well around much of the state, even in north central North Dakota. And it continues all through the day as well. You see by Sunday afternoon, widespread rain showers, maybe thunderstorms in this batch as well. Even into Sunday night, you see plenty of rain. Right now, the heaviest batch of rain is right here, kind of in the western and central portion of the state. Looks like that's been moving around a little bit. Earlier, that was right over Minot, so we don't have a great grasp on exactly where the heaviest rain will be tomorrow and Monday as well. But you can see right now, we're thinking it'll be closer to the southern half of the state than the northern half. Again, we'll have an eye on that for you. A better look at it tomorrow night during KX News at 10 as well. But the showers continue all the way into Monday afternoon. It looks like we'll be seeing plenty of rain around most of the state. This is just one potential rain model. And again, most of that rain falling between Garrison and Bismarck. Now, I would say it's overshooting a little bit. I don't think 4 inches of rain is necessarily likely in this batch, but you do see there's a good chance of a lot of rain, this one putting it closer to the eastern half of the state. So lots of rain in store for the next few days. I hope you enjoyed the sunshine today because it looks like we've got a lot of moisture in store. Here are the turf soil temperatures. Again, this map is available anytime for you at the NDAWN website and kxnet.com/weather. Nice turf soil temps right now for farmers out there, around 60 degrees for the most part. This is the 7-day outlook. Here's what we're seeing for the next week or so. plenty of chances of rain. It's an active weather pattern, which means off and on rain showers are likely for the next several days, but nice temperatures. I really prefer it in the low 70s, even upper 60s feels really nice to me. That way you just don't get too hot. So hope you like the rain, and I hope you like temps in the 70s, because that's what's on tap for the next week.
Fair enough.